PixPal AI Review: 7 Crucial Things You Need to Know. Best Just Released AI Software. PixPal AI has just been released, and if you're wondering whether this software lives up to the hype, stick around. I'm going to break down 7 key features you need to know about PixPal AI so you can decide if it's the right tool for you. Stay with me, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of why PixPal AI could be a game changer for your digital marketing needs. Before we get into it, I want to mention that you can try PixPal AI completely free through the first link below. No strings attached. But let's dive in now. There are some crucial things you'll want to know before you make a decision. First off, PixPal AI is designed to save you time and effort by automating image creation, editing, and optimization. Whether you're a marketer, content creator, or business owner, PixPal can help you produce high-quality visuals without spending hours in Photoshop or other design tools. Its AI-powered system generates stunning images quickly, and its intuitive interface makes it accessible, even for beginners. Now, here's something you might not know about PixPal: its ability to adapt to different industries. If you're in e-commerce, for example, PixPal AI can automatically generate product images with perfect dimensions, backgrounds, and resolution. It even optimizes them for different platforms, from Instagram to your website, without any extra work from you. What's even more impressive is its image-to-text feature. PixPal AI can turn an image you upload into a complete SEO-optimized caption. This is a game changer for social media managers and content marketers who need to create engaging posts quickly. The tool uses natural language processing to ensure the caption fits the context of the image and includes relevant keywords. Another standout feature is its ability to scale your visuals. You know how time-consuming it can be to adjust images for multiple platforms? PixPal AI automatically resizes your images and adapts them to fit specific platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. No more manually resizing images, which means you can focus on other aspects of your marketing strategy. One feature that caught my attention is PixPal's integration capabilities. It works seamlessly with other popular marketing tools like Google Analytics and HubSpot. This means you can pull data directly from your campaigns, and PixPal will optimize your visuals accordingly. This level of automation helps you stay ahead in an ever-competitive market. PixPal AI is also equipped with a highly accurate background remover. If you've ever had to cut out a subject from an image, you know it can be a hassle. With PixPal, the AI does all the heavy lifting, saving you tons of time and ensuring the image quality remains intact. Whether you need clean, professional-looking images for ads or social media, this feature is incredibly valuable. Lastly, one of the most impressive features of PixPal AI is its ability to learn and improve. The more you use it, the better it gets at understanding your preferences. It adapts its suggestions and image adjustments to match your style, whether you're running a personal blog or managing a massive brand. This personalized approach is what sets PixPal apart from other AI tools on the market. As you can see, PixPal AI brings a lot to the table for anyone looking to streamline their image creation and marketing efforts. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, PixPal offers tools that can save you hours of work and improve the quality of your content. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and PixPal is one of the most user-friendly, effective, and time-saving platforms I've encountered. You can try it for free, so don't hesitate to click the first link in the description. Before you go, I also want to mention that I've included a list of my recommended AI software, including tools that I've personally used and vetted over the years. They're all linked below for you to check out. Thanks for watching, and I hope this review of PixPal AI helped you make a more informed decision. Be sure to check out the free trial and my recommended tools, and I'll see you in the next video.